TestCafe Live is a tool that runs tests as you write them, which allows you to validate your changes instantly. Let's take a look at it in action. I'm going to write a test that targets the GitHub site. I'll start by writing code that authenticates the user on github.com. To authenticate in each test, I've introduced a before each hook, which will run before each test is started. In this hook, I'll switch to a role called registered user that's defined in the role.js file. Now let's make sure this authentication works correctly by using TestCafe Live to verify it. I'll go to the terminal panel and type a command that runs TestCafe Live. It opens the browser and connects to TestCafe. Then it navigates to GitHub and authenticates. The test is finished, but TestCafe Live keeps the browser open in a waiting state for further actions. Now let's run our test. We'll check that the user avatar's alternative text is the same as the username. First, I'll write a selector that picks the avatar element. Then look up the correct ID in the browser's developer tools and create an assertion that checks that the alt attribute for this element equals the username. I'll save the test file, and TestCafe immediately plays the changed test in the browser. After it's finished, TestCafe writes a report to the console. In this instance, it shows that the test failed with an assertion error. The error message indicates that I forgot to add the @ symbol to the username. I'll correct it and save the changes. The test now runs successfully. Note that authentication does not happen again because TestCafe reuses the same role. That's all I need to test, so I'll exit TestCafe Live by selecting the pane here and pressing Ctrl+C. We've just written a test that verifies the GitHub avatar icon's alternative text. Thanks to TestCafe Live, we save time on rerunning the test after each change. Try TestCafe Live by downloading it and see how it can boost your productivity when writing tests. Learn more about TestCafe by watching videos from our TestCafe playlist or check out the documentation on our website. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel for all of our latest content. Thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing DevExpress.